அப்ப 25 வருஷமா ஃபாஸ்ட் ட்ராக்கோட கஸ்டமரா இருக்கேன்னு நானும் பெருமையா சொல்லிக்கலாம். டவுன்லோட் ஃபாஸ்ட் ட்ராக் டாக்ஸி.
And yesterday one of our tallest leader from Tamil Nadu, a person who was instrumental in growing the Congress party here, Ayya Kumari Anandan avargal, at the age of 93 he left for heavenly abode. Our national president Thiru JP Nadda avargal has expressed his condolence, and he has written a condolence letter also to Tamilisai Soundararajan akka. Today our in charge for Tamil Nadu BJP Sri Ponguleti Sudhakar Reddy ji has come representing our national president Thiru JP Nadda avargal here. I request him to kindly talk to the media.
As rightly said by our State President Annamalai ji, I am here on behalf of JP Nadda ji, on behalf of All India BJP. I came here to express my heartfelt condolences to Madam Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan ji and our family members about the demise of veteran personality, ethical personality, value-based personality, Sri Kumari Anandan ji. May his soul rest in peace, and he is a great literature-loving personality and Tamil literature-loving personality. And he was 5 times MLA and 1 time Member of Parliament. It is a great loss to the family. At this point of time, I am praying God to give enough strength to the family members to bear this loss. And on behalf of Bharatiya Janata Party, All India Committee, I am here. Once again, I am expressing my heartfelt condolences to the departed soul and his family members for the best wishes.
So, Home Minister Amit Shah is coming to Chennai today. What is the purpose of this visit?
Madam, sir is coming to meet our leaders in Bharatiya Janata Party and to take stock of what is happening in the state. He just finished his tour to Bihar also, because Bihar is also an election going state, and he met all our NDA partners. And today he is coming till tomorrow evening is here, and when our senior leaders they meet the press tomorrow morning, we will brief you what the visit is all about.
There has been a talk regarding change of leadership, state leadership, so can we expect more regarding?
So tomorrow his visit is only more with respect to meeting our leaders and to take stock of what is happening. Amit Shah ji always keeps coming so that he has to take ground level feedback what is happening in the state. And we are also happy that he has visited more times now in the last 1 month. This is 4th visit of Amit Shah ji, and continuously sir is coming, talking to people, taking different feedback from various sections. He also meets cross section of people. He meets business people, he meets academicians, he meets all kinds of people so that they give him an accurate feedback. And tomorrow when we meet the press, when our senior leaders meet the press, 100% will brief you what this is all about.
Is the meeting only with BJP leaders or leaders from?
We will brief you tomorrow, sir. We will 100% brief you.
Will be of alliance talk today?
Madam, we will 100% brief you. As of now, I am authorized to say he is coming. We are authorized to say tomorrow evening, till evening is here.
Yes.
And rest everything we will talk at the appropriate time.
The Supreme Court has given a verdict when the Tamil Nadu government versus governor case saying that the governor has very minimal power and he has to stick to the constitutional powers that he holds. And the DMK is celebrating its victory in this case. How do you see?
Madam, there are various landmark judgments of Supreme Court with respect to the powers of governors at multiple times. Previously, one of the landmark judgment with respect to the governor's power is 356. And today it is also a landmark judgment, a very important judgment with respect to the powers of governors with respect to holding certain bills, the time limit. We all respect the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment and we don't have anything more to say at this point of time. At the same time, nowhere the Honorable Supreme Court has said governor cannot raise his voice when a state government makes a mistake. And we continue to believe our governor is raising his voice at the appropriate time. As and when the state government is making a mistake, he is the first person to comment on it because he is fully within his rights to do it. But as far as the Supreme Court judgment is concerned, with respect to the time limit, how much he can hold the bill, a time frame of 1 month, 3 months, when the bill comes back for the second time, how many months he can hold, again a month. So that Supreme Court has clarified, we all have to accept it. And when people talk, 10 bills, no, it is not 10 bills, it is one bill, 10 different universities who will become the chancellor. So it is one subject which is 10 different bills. That is how we should see, instead of 10 different subjects.
There has been something mentioned about the criticism of governor, right? In the judgment we can see like what governor has a power, like that it has been mentioned saying that he has to respect whatever the decision cabinet takes, it should be with the government policies.
The governor, we believe the current governor is always respectful of the state government, and only when the state government exceeds its brief, the governor has made his displeasure known on many law and order cases and other issues. And we fully believe the governor is well within his rights in terms of his operation in the state of Tamil Nadu. As far as the Supreme Court verdict is concerned, with respect to the time limit, which is a clarification given by the Supreme Court to everybody, because till now there is no clarification with respect to how many months he can keep, can he return a bill, if the bill comes for the second time, can he take it to the president. So yesterday is more like a clarification judgment.
Sir, also DMK claims that the governor is acting under the eye of BJP, and he makes it a political issue by saying that only if the BJP approves what the governor does, then he approves.
That is only a political statement, madam. I am taking our MK Stalin ji, Tamil Nadu CM, back to his father, M. Karnanidhi Ayya, what he wrote about Surjit Singh Barnala ji when he was Tamil Nadu's governor. He called him a line. He says only because of institutions of governor, at least some semblance of constitutional democratic republic is in order. So at one time DMK wants a governor, at other time they didn't want a governor. So he should go back to his father at different points of time. Kalaignar Karnanidhi Ayya, what did he talk about? The office of governor. Even when MK Stalin ji, 10 years he was outside power, and sometimes as an opposition leader also. Every single time there was a problem with the ADA government, he used to go and meet the governor only. So then they wanted a governor, now they don't want a governor. We see it only political.
So the DMK and many other parties have moved to the Supreme Court against the Waqf Amendment bill. Mamata Banerjee says that it will not be implemented in West Bengal. So how do you see this?
Madam, it is a law passed by the parliament of our country, and which is bound to all the territorial jurisdictional areas of Bharat. It's very clear. When the chief minister says, particular chief minister says, I will not allow this law inside my own state, I think they have taken an oath on the Constitution of India, then they have become the chief minister of a state, which is directly violating that oath. I am very clear. Childishly they can speak, but I am sure our different levers of government will teach them a lesson. We have the courts, Supreme Court is also watching. Now parties like DMK going to Supreme Court, I am very, very sure the Waqf Amendment 2025 for the 1995 Act, it is a historic, it is pakka constitutional order. It is not violating the constitution in any single way, and it is only political in nature. I am very, very sure the Supreme Court is going to throw out all the people who are going against the Waqf Amendment.
Yesterday an all-party legislators meet happened, and the next course of action for NEET has been taken, and again they are planning to take a legal action and go to the courts.
Madam, we have to understand the NEET is a legal question that is settled. Now it is becoming a political question. Why it is settled? Because in the CMC Vellore versus Union of India, it is very clearly settled by the Honorable Supreme Court that Medical Council of India has got every right to bring NEET, and NEET is not anti-constitution, very clearly said. Now why do they want to go to the Supreme Court against NEET again? When it is settled by Supreme Court, they want to make it a political issue. Now that is also rejected by the Honorable President of our country, which is rejected and sent it back to the state government. Now they are only politically making noise. I am sure if at all when they go to the Supreme Court, again Supreme Court is going to reject Tamil Nadu government's argument.